Hey guys, I'm going to be showcasing a really simple cool asset that I've created, and it's to help you with any sort of horror or adventure game you might be creating, and it's called the Simple Flashlight System. Just essentially a raycast system so you can pick up the included flashlight that you might have. It's a PBR flashlight, two different versions. You can pick up the batteries, it's got a simple UI, and it allows you to just turn it on and off, reload the batteries, have a little visual UI which has got a counter for the batteries, for the actual battery level, shows when it's on and off, you can turn it on and off, includes sounds and the effects to go with it. So if I give a quick demo, is that you've got a basic sort of test scene to go with it that I just created for the system itself. Now you've got a series of buttons that you can press. You can press F to turn the flashlight on and off, Q to reload, and B to bring up your sort of battery indicator. But I've got nothing at the moment because if I press the buttons, it doesn't do anything because I don't have a flashlight. So what we can do is we can walk over to one of the flashlights that we've got and we can left click on it. And then from there, what we can do is we can press B, and you can see in the bottom left corner we've got a basic little UI which every time we press B we can toggle on and off. And you can see at the bottom it's got a 0 for the amount of actual batteries you've got, the level of the current flashlight, and the little indicator to say where it's on or off. If we press F whilst this is on, you can see that we get the flashlight with the basic cookie, and you can see the indicator for the flashlight already sort of ticking down. We press F again and it will change. We can press B and we can use the functionality there. We can walk over to the set of batteries we've got and literally pick these up as we would normally, and you can see now we've got 5 batteries. So say we leave the flashlight on and just look at the UI, what we're going to do is press Q and we'll use up a battery and fill the torch. You can change in Unity, you can look at the controller and you can change the speed at which the battery decreases. You can change the count at which of how many batteries you start with, the actual maximum value of what the intensity of the light would be, and it's just got some other simple basics for having the flashlight move when you move around. Because if I give the example, when I move to the side it's got a sway, and you can obviously adjust the speed at which that sways, the size of the spotlight, the cookie on it, anything else, the UIs. This is just a basic example including the sound effects for picking up, reloading and turning the flashlight on and off, and these are some things that you can update if you want to slightly change the system. But it's a really nice little simple system to just get you started with this sort of functionality. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.